Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of your iPhone dropping calls out of nowhere, you're definitely not alone. But don't worry, because today I'm going to walk you through a few easy steps to fix that annoying issue. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Turn airplane mode on and off. First, swipe down from the top right of your screen to open the control center. Now toggle on airplane mode and wait for about 15 seconds. After that, turn it off again. Then check if this resolved the problem. Solution 2. Adjust your cellular setting. First, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap on Cellular. Now tap on Cellular Data Options. Next, tap on Voice and Data and choose either 5G or 4G. After that, head back to the previous settings screen. Then tap on Network Selection. Now toggle Automatic off and on. After that, return to the previous settings screen. Then tap on Wi-Fi calling and switch it on. Once all of this is done, check if your call dropping issue is fixed. Solution 3. Use Settings Interrogation. To do this, open your phone app, then tap on the keypad tab at the bottom. Now enter *#31# and hit the call button. After that, a new menu should pop up. Then it will show calling line restriction disabled. Now tap Dismiss and check if your issue has been resolved. Solution 4. Reset your network settings. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Then scroll down and tap General. Now find and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset, then select Reset Network Settings. Finally, confirm by tapping Reset Network Settings again. Your network settings will be reset, and hopefully that will fix the call dropping problem. And there you have it. That's how you can fix the dropped call issue on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you have any other questions, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd be happy to help. Thanks a bunch for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.